This video highlights the Redmi A4 5G in Sparkle Purple, featuring 4GB RAM and 128GB storage. Key features include the segment's largest 6.88-inch 120Hz display, a 50MP dual camera, and 18W fast charging with the charger included. The Redmi A4 5G has achieved a 4.0 out of 5 stars rating and is an Amazon's Choice product, with over 5,000 units bought in the past month. It features the Snapdragon 4's Gen 2 5G processor and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. The Redmi A4 5G is currently available at a 25% discount, priced at 8,999 rupees, down from the MRP of 11,999 rupees. Experience high performance with the Snapdragon 4's Gen 2 5G processor and a large 17.47 cm 120Hz display. The device comes with 128GB of storage and up to 8GB of RAM, including 4GB of virtual RAM, plus a fast side fingerprint sensor. The 17.47 cm 120Hz display offers ultra-smooth visuals, 600 nits peak brightness for clear visibility in sunlight, and a 240Hz touch sampling rate for responsiveness. It also features TUV triple certified eye care protection. Capture stunning photos with the 50MP dual camera and sharp selfies with the 5MP front camera on the Redmi A4 5G. The phone includes a massive 5,160 mAh battery for long-lasting power. It supports 18W fast charging, and a 33W charger with USB Type-C is included in the box. The Redmi A4 5G offers expandability with a dedicated microSD card slot for up to 1TB of storage, a 3.5mm headphone jack, Android 14, and a convenient side fingerprint sensor. A summary of customer feedback indicates good quality and value for money. However, there are mixed reviews regarding performance, camera and battery life, and 5G connectivity issues, particularly limited to Geo SIM cards. Long-term issues reported include significant lagging, slow app opening, and frequent hanging after approximately 4 months of use. This highlights areas for potential concern based on user experience. Performance issues in customer feedback include significant lagging, with apps taking 5 to 10 seconds to open, and frequent hanging problems often occurring after around 4 months of use, raising long-term stability concerns.